guys, welcome to Krafts with Kris. Today we are going to be making clothespin dragonflies. So for our clothespin dragonflies, you're going to need paint, some clothespins, construction paper, googly eyes, or a Sharpie if you don't have any googly eyes. Of course, some scissors, and then glue. So first we are going to start by taking one of our clothespins and we're just going to paint it whatever color we would like. So I'm going to paint mine purple. So I also laid down some garbage bags to help keep my table clean. So I'm just cutting this so I can put my paint down on it. You just need a little bit of paint here, and then you are going to paint your dragonfly. Okay, so once we painted our dragonfly, we're just going to set it aside to dry here. And next we are going to do our wings. So I'm also going to use some purple construction paper. And what we're going to do to make it so that both sides are the same is we're just going to fold our construction paper in half here, like that. Then we are going to draw our wings. So I have a pencil here, and we're just going to draw our wings. So when I did this one, I just did the 1/2 drawing, and then when I cut them out, it was 2 because we folded it. So I've drawn my dragonfly wings, and now I'm just going to cut them out like that. So now I have half a dragonfly wing, and now I have a full one like that. So now what we're going to do is, if you have some glitter, you can use glitter, which as you can see I've already done for my first dragonfly. Or if you'd like, you can just draw designs on it or whatever. So for the glitter, which I'm going to do, we're going to put some glue on our wings like that. So make sure there's lots of glue so we get lots of glitter that actually sticks to it here, like that. Then we are going to take our glitter and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of purple on it. Then I'm going to take my gold glitter and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of that on it as well. Alright, so now that our wings are done, once our dragonfly is dry, we can draw our eyes on it, or you can glue your googly eyes on it. However, I do recommend that you use hot glue if you're using your googly eyes. So I'm just going to draw 2 eyes on mine, like that, and a little smile, like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but he has 2 eyes and a little smile there. So we'll put him down. So next, I have a bunch of glitter on my wings, so I'm just gonna shake it off. So all my extra glitter is off there, so you guys can see these are what my wings look like. So next we're just gonna flip over our wings, and we're gonna put some glue on kind of where the wings cross in the middle, because this is the part that we're gonna glue onto our dragonfly like that. Then we're just gonna put it on. You can center it, you can do whatever you would like with it. So pinch it there. And then we have our wings on our dragonfly. So we have a little purple one with lots of different, and then we have our little green one with gold wings. And that's how you make a clothespin dragonfly. So thanks for watching me, and stay tuned next week for Krafts with Kris.